Mark the Builder here. Now, I know it's raining here at Como, but I have to announce this to you. This is the winner of the name of our new tipper truck. So we had Teddy, we had Tommy, and we had Timmy. 100 people voted, so thank you for all of you who voted. I really appreciate you putting the time in so we can name this truck. So Teddy was 26%. The winner for our new tipper truck, drum roll please, is Timmy the Tipper with a 40% vote. Timmy Tipper wins. Tommy was very close. He had 36%. So, thank you all for voting. It's officially Timmy the Tipper.